From this video, you will get tips to prepare for H12323_V2.0 HCIP-WLAN version 2.0 exam. Capabilities to be certified. Key exam details. Master knowledge content. Tips for exam success. One. Which of the following statements is false about the leader AP architecture? A. In the leader AP networking, one AP works in FAT mode, and the other APs work in FID mode. B. The leader AP manages and configures FID APs using CAPWAP in a unified manner. C. No WAC needs to be deployed in the leader AP networking, reducing network construction costs. Therefore, the leader AP architecture applies to small and micro enterprise scenarios. D. When the leader AP works in bridge mode, user data can be forwarded in direct or tunnel mode. Answer: D. 2. Which of the following statements is false about Huawei's cloud-based AP management solution? A. APs work in FID mode by default, and need to be switched to the cloud mode so that they can be centrally managed by iMaster NCE Campus. B. An AP can switch its working mode in multiple modes. In DHCP mode, the AP must be unconfigured. C. Compared with conventional AP management mode, APs in cloud mode are plug and play and can automatically register with iMaster NCE Campus through the Internet. DSTAS can roam between cloud APs at different sites. Answer: D. 3. Which of the following authentication modes is recommended for scenarios where users are scattered and move frequently on a WLAN? A. 802.1x authentication. B. Portal authentication. C. MAC address authentication. D. MAC address bypass authentication. Answer: B. 4. Which of the following statements is false about WLAN roaming technologies? A. Compared with 802.11r roaming, fast roaming using PMK caching omits both authentication and key negotiation. B. The impact of roaming on services lies in the roaming time. Therefore, roaming optimization technology is used to shorten the roaming time. C. Fast roaming using PMK caching is implemented by caching the pairwise master key. D. 802.11r fast roaming can be achieved in over-the-air or over-the-DS mode. Answer: A. 5. Which of the following statements is false about the Campus Insight Intelligent O&M solution? A. Campus Insight uses NETCONF technology to receive data reported by devices and uses intelligent algorithms to analyze and display network data. B. Campus Insight can display the full journey network experience of each user in real time and trace faults. C. Campus Insight can quickly and intelligently demarcate faulty devices, and analyze the root causes of poor user experience. D. Campus Insight uses a big data platform to collect, store, and analyze data in a unified manner, providing efficient big data processing capabilities. Answer: A. 6. Which of the following statements are true about WLAN access authentication modes? A. MAC address authentication requires users to install specific clients. B. 802.1x authentication provides high security and requires a dedicated authentication server. C. Portal authentication applies to scenarios where users are sparsely distributed and move frequently. D. 802.1x authentication applies to scenarios where dumb terminals such as printers and fax machines need to be authenticated. Answer: B. C. 7. After dual-link HSB is deployed for WAC reliability, an active, standby switchover between WACs occurs. Which of the following are the possible causes of the active, standby switchover? A. The active WAC is faulty. B. The faulty active WAC link is recovered. C. The active and standby WAC priorities change. D. The active and standby WAC IP addresses change. Answer: A, B, C, D. 8. Which of the following statements are true about WLAN planning solutions? A. Requirements collection and site survey are required in the early stage of WLAN planning. B. WLAN planning involves signal coverage analysis, capacity design, and device selection. C. Signal coverage design must take the signal strength requirements of different areas into consideration. D. Indoor AP coverage design must ensure that signals pass through as few obstacles as possible. Answer: A, B, C, D. 9. The Cloud Campus app is a mobile app used for WLAN test and acceptance after network deployment, reducing the workload of wireless O&M personnel and simplifying maintenance. Which of the following functions are supported by the Cloud Campus app? A. iPerf performance test. B. Radio interference display. C. Game test. D. Roaming experience. Answer: A, B, C, D. 10. Which of the following statements are true about portal authentication? A. A user can proactively access the portal authentication website through a browser. B. If the access address entered by the user is not the portal authentication website address, this type of authentication is not supported and user authentication fails. C. Portal protocols include portal access protocols and portal authentication protocols. D. User logout can be initiated by the client or forced by the server. Answer: A, C, D. Subscribe and like past question.